how to select seats in Etihad Airways. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can basically select your seats on Etihad Airways, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to select your seats on Etihad Airways, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go to etihad.com and make sure to log into your account. And once you have done that, you can just tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you can just go to manage. And once you go to this option called manage, over here you should be able to find one of the options that says choose your seat. So if you've already made a booking and now you'd like to choose your seat, tap on choose a seat option. You can see reserve your seat option. You can see where would you like to sit, whether economy seats, extra legroom seats, or whatever else you prefer. You can just tap the book now option and then follow the instructions to book your seat on Etihad. This way you'll be able to basically select seat in Etihad Airways. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.